Hello, welcome to my channel, and this is Yemi's Kitchen. In Yemi's Kitchen, that is where all African flavor, African menu meets American ingredients. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to cook chicken Alfredo. Chicken Alfredo is a pasta recipe. You can use any kind of pasta for it with chicken and some sauces. So these are the ingredients we are going to be needing today. We are going to be needing chicken. I'm using chicken breast, which I have cut into small bites. I have seasoned with salt and black pepper and with a little bit of flour to make it easier for me when I fry this. Heavy cream, a teaspoon of black pepper, a teaspoon of salt, parsley leaf for the color, bell pepper, yellow and red for the color, a little bit of vegetable oil, onion, nutmeg, and anything you want to put into it. Make it the way you want it. But on Yemi's Kitchen today, I'm having a twist of Yemi's flavor with this taking the chicken out. The chicken is done. Okay, I'm gonna put my ginseng pot. I'm gonna put my onion. This is my garlic to it. Let it go for like 1 minute. I'm going to introduce my heavy cream. So I'm going to grate some nutmeg. Elevate it. Just making a fancy one. You don't have to make this, it's optional. Alfredo. This is optional too. The peppers. A little bit of chive. All this are optional, like I said. A teaspoon of black pepper. I like it hot. Just have a teaspoon of salt, because I've already salted the pasta. So I'm going to reintroduce the chicken into it. That's good. No. It looks good, it tastes good. This is good. Now I've already cooked my pasta al dente. So I'm gonna put it and fold it in the sauce. This is so rich. So you have to wait for this. I'm gonna put my parsley in it for the color. So you have to wait for this for like 10 minutes more for the pasta to soak in the sauce that we serve. See the colors? These are the peppers. This is so nice. 5 minutes time, we come back and I'm surface. Well, the chicken Alfredo is finished, it's completed. I'm just waiting for it to soak in the sauce, then I'll serve it. And you can see how we're gonna eat it. Let's go to the table. So this is the final result of my chicken Alfredo. It really came out really nice. I shaved some Parmesan cheese on the chicken Alfredo to make it more even tasty. It came out really nice. Thank you for watching this video. That it is for this video. I hope you've all enjoyed watching me cooking this chicken Alfredo. If you do, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you all for watching. See you in my next video. Don't forget, choose to be happy. Happiness is a choice. And if you've liked this video and if you try this recipe at home, please tag me on my social media, on my Instagram, on my Facebook, on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Love you, Yemis.